Hello guys, welcome back to Streamlab HQ. Today's video will be a quick tutorial on how to set up the Doomsday Wizard Kodi build on your Kodi 21.2 Omega and Kodi 20 Nexus. Before we get started, I want to advise you to make sure you fully secure your privacy before you open or before you start using your Kodi app. And in my own case, I use IPVanish to ensure that my IP address is properly secure, and I would recommend IPVanish for you as well because it's pretty reliable since I've been using it, and the subscription plan is very affordable, and they have a 30-day money back guarantee, and I'll be leaving my affiliate link in the description, so if you want to get it through my link, you can just click it and get it. So this particular Doomsday Wizard is a very lightweight Kodi build, and it has popular add-ons like the Asgard, the Scrub V2, the Crew, Rising Tide, Homelander, Apex Sports, Sentry Sports, Fights on Demand, Mad Titan Sports, Magic Dragon. So it is actually a very broad build, and I'll be showing you how to do the installation and set it up properly, so you don't encounter any issues while installing yours. So I advise you to stick to the end of this video so you will get the most out of it. So the first thing you have to do, guys, is to click this gear icon, and on this page you click this system. Okay, then on this left panel you see add-ons, then you check this unknown sources option, turn it on, and click yes here. So you go to the previous page and click on File Manager, and on this page you click on Add Source. Okay, then on this none, I'm going to enter a repository URL. So I want you to make sure you enter it this same way I'm going to enter mine, so you don't encounter any issues during your own installation. The URL is this. Okay. Okay, so that is it, guys. Make sure you don't make any mistake while entering yours. So after doing that, you click on OK. So for the media file source name, I'm going to leave it at Doomsday, and I'll click OK. So we've added it to our file manager. I'll go back to the previous page again, and on this page I'll click on add-ons here. So I'll click on install from zip file here too. Okay, this is the file source name we saved it as in our file manager, so I'm going to click on it, and I'll click on this repository.doomsday zip file, and I'm going to allow it to install. So installation should be pretty quick, but my internet connection is not okay. It's been installed, so I'm going to click on install from repository now. Okay, and I'll click on this Doomsday repo. Okay, so good, it has opened. So I'll click on program add-ons. Okay, then I'm going to click on this Doomsday simple wizard. Okay, so I'm going to click on install here, and I'll allow it to download and install. So you can see it's very fast, and like I said earlier, this particular build is a very lightweight build. So if your Firestick or your TV box has a very low storage capacity, you can try out this build. It will work well on it. So guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. So I'm going to pause this video while the installation is going on. So once it's done, I'll resume it. Good, so it has been installed. So I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to go back to the home page. Okay, I'm going to close this as well. So I'll go back to the home page. Now click on remind later. So on this page, I'm going to click on add-ons. Then I'll click on program add-ons. I'm going to click on this Doomsday simple wizard. Okay. Then I'm going to click on build menu here. So you can see this Doomsday simple wizard has so many builds inside. So many of them. You have smoking, you have image, you have so many things. I'll just look for one and we're going to go with that. Let me check. Okay, let's go for smoking Omega builds. Okay, I'll click on continue. I'll try it again. Okay, let me try this. Okay, sorry, I had to choose the sub build main. Is sub build, which is this smoking build version 0.4. So I'm going to pause this video while it's downloading and installing. So once the download and installation is completed, I will have to resume it back, so I will not waste your time. So guys, we are done with the installation, and once I click on this OK, the Kodi app will be forced, will be closed forcefully, and once I restart it, all the builds that I've added will take effect. So guys, let me know if you're able to successfully add this particular build to your Kodi app, and also let me know if you had any issues. If you encountered any problem, you can just drop that in the comment section, and if there's any particular build or add-on you're looking for, just leave it in the comment section. I'll do a video on it and post it like as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you so much guys for sticking around, and to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. I really appreciate you guys for the support so far, and please, if you have not subscribed to this at this point, I would appreciate it if you do subscribe right now. Okay, so thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. You have a lovely weekend and a happy new month.